Welcome to Hitcoin Daily. Today we are talking about the most beautiful NFT game. It is right now this token on CoinGecko, listed 24 hours ago. It's not much happening right now, but I can tell you there's much behind it. We have already in last 24 hours over 1 million trading volume. Before we are looking at this token, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to know more about everyday best hitcoins on CoinGecko, and maybe leave me a like and write down into the comments what you think about this project. The project called XWG Games. XWG Games right now at the price from 24 cents. It goes, the trend is up right now. And let's have a look what is XWG Games. XWG Games, they have two websites right now. They have XWG Games, XWG.games and XWGgame.com. This is their first game right now. Dream Cards. Okay, Dream Card is the first game. It's an online NFT game. It's a battle game. You can make your submissions, and this is your desktop. This is your playing. This is the playing display. You see here what to click on, and here's their website from XWG Games. You have also a marketplace here. Their games right now is just Dream Card for sure because they are new. And they have a marketplace. You have to be connected with your wallet, with your MetaMask wallet or direct Binance chain wallet. And I will connect right now the wallet with the website. In the last video I show you how to install MetaMask. If you don't know, you can look at that video. And now you see we are connected, and now you can look what's going on right now. You can have an auction right here, already auctions, and for sure the normal marketplace. Right now it's not much going on because it is new. It is one day listed on CoinGecko, and but you can buy here. You can buy, you can sell your cards, what you have out of this game. I mean, if you play that game, your card will be not only level 1, it will be one day level 10 or more. I don't know how far they can go here in this game, but I like the graphics. There's much effort behind this. It's paintings, right? It's very beautiful colors, shiny colors, and that's what the gamers want, right? And let's see what they write more about this project. Virtual world of new internet. Okay, collect. Own your own digital asset. A character card is from Dream Card based ERC 721 smart contract that you can collect and use. Create a new character card in the XWG Games. Trade the virtual world of digital asset. Buy and sell your digital asset in the XWG Games marketplace, and support all NFT assets and on Binance Smart Chain. That's what we saw and what we look at it before. Governance Council. Bring together the most fantastic players in the fully decentralized world, controlled via DAO, which owns the most important smart contract and assets of XWG Games. You decide and vote how the game play. That's nice. That means it is also community driven. Backed by, here are some companies behind this. or work with them. Get the latest updates so you can subscribe on their newsletters. Put your email inside, and then you will receive every news on your email address. Let's see if the white paper they have. A white paper, nice. Let's have a look on this. And don't forget, I want to mention that also, if you have some NFTs, right, and the NFTs, maybe, who knows, you play that game long enough to have here not only level 1, level 10 or whatever, the price is getting higher, right? So if this price also gets higher, then you will earn one day a very, very expensive card, right? So don't forget that. We want to look here on their okay. Here you have to type in your email address. I don't want to do this right now when the video is recording, but and then you can see here the white paper what they have. FAQ. Let's see what they write in this FAQ. What's the requirement? You don't need any requirement. You can play it even on Android phones, right? Multiple devices. Yes, you can log in with multiple devices. Crypto wallet. Yes. Can I use different browser? Still, yeah. It is better you use Chrome or Firefox browser for this game. There are more FAQs. I don't want to be bored with that right now. I don't want to bore you. Let's see on Telegram how many people are connected with them. 95,000 members there. Over 8,000 now online right now. So that means it's a very big community. And that means for the price, there's just one direction, baby. And this is up. Here we have it on Twitter with 143,000 followers. And much going on Twitter channel also. We have already now 368 tweets. And on Reddit, only 82 members. It is okay. Not everyone will use Reddit. On Medium, here they also have their daily, or not daily, news. And you can read here also what's going on in the XWG Games world, XWG Games family, and maybe what is new in Dreamcard. Dreamcard, the game you can actually play from XWG Games and maybe get rich from some nice NFT cards, because as you can see here, level 8, level 4, level 2 cards are already existing, and you can level them up, right? So what do you think about this token? What do you think about this project? It have a future? I think yes. I think they put here a lot of work inside. I mean, look at these pictures. Just this draws, right? And if this going forward, like I think it will go, you can invest here for sure into this token. Don't be afraid of scam. I think this is not any scam. I think here's something going on behind that for sure. And I think also the next time we will have some surprises in the price. And if this thing go on $1, I mean, what's worth then your NFT cards, right? Don't forget that. You have here an asset with these cards. You have an asset. A non-fungible token is always an asset. It is like you buy Bitcoins, you buy XWG Games token, right? It is an asset. So let me know what you think about this project. Write it down into the comments. Leave me a like, and it will help me a lot if you subscribe to my channel. Then I can show you every day the best, newest tokens listed on CoinGecko. And until then, until the next video, I wish you the best profits, the very best profits. Make some nice cash, and see you later, alligator. Bye.